I didn't wanna see you when you came home.
Hello guys, so in this video I will show you step by step on how to create this split text effect with VN Editor. So make sure you leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Open VN Editor and create a new project with your white stock footage. Change the frame ratio to 16:9. Delete the VN watermark at the end. Now add your text. Change the color to black and use your preferred fonts. Scale up the text size and export the video. Add your main video into a new project. Delete the VN watermark at the end. Now add the text video as PIP. Go to mask, select linear and add a keyframe. Go to the end of the overlay and move it to the top. This will add a keyframe at the end. Now see how it looks. Duplicate the overlay. As the beginning, go to mask. Select linear again to invert the mask. At the end, drag the text video to the bottom. And here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.